Hello, this is Emlyn Pratt, a software engineer at Serengeti Systems Incorporated. Today, we are going to take a look at configuring and installing an off-the-shelf solution that reliably and securely syncs data between the site controller, which serves as the source machine, and a manager workstation, which serves as the target. We'll start with a site controller / source machine from which the data originates. Now, as you can see here, there are two parts to the installer: the executable, which actually installs the software, and an associated settings file, which lets you configure the installation to match your setup. This configuration file allows you to adjust SFTP settings for email notification, the port on which the server runs, the time interval between transfers, as well as a number of other options. Installation itself can be performed by simply running an exe on the target computer with the appropriate arguments. Since installation does not require a graphical user interface, it can be performed as part of a batch process or using the remote installation tool of your choice. The same exe file will be used on both machines, but the precise arguments will vary, depending on whether you are installing on the site controller / source machine or the manager workstation. Let's install on the source machine now. This is where I set the role to tell the installer if it's the client or server machine. This is where I specify the name of the configuration file to use. This is where I specify the IP or hostname of the target machine. And here are a few other options for telling the installer how to run. Great! Everything is now installed on this machine. Whenever we add or update a file under the pre-configured menu link export directory for the current date, the files will be automatically transferred over every 60 seconds. Now let's visit the target machine and install there as well to complete the setup. As you can see, the process is nearly identical. The difference is that here I am specifying that we are installing on the server / target machine, and also providing a serial number which is required for the server end. As you can see, the data from the source machine has been transferred over. All data is sent encrypted using SFTP and does not require opening ports on the firewall from the network on which the point-of-sale system resides. Also, data is sent directly between the two systems without being routed through any third-party servers. In summary, our off-the-shelf NCR solution provides an easy-to-configure software package to reliably and securely sync the point-of-sale data between the NCR site controller and manager workstation. The solution is easy to deploy to a large number of machines and requires no specialized training. Call sales at 512-345-2211, option 1, to discuss how Robo-FTP can help you.